Hello and welcome, dear educators. I'm Karuna, a high school educator, and in this video, I will take you on a journey to create an app on learningapps.org. So I click here on login button. As a new user, you need to click on register new account. Enter these details and click on register account button. And after this, you will be landed on to the homepage of learningapps.org. I've already logged into my account. So to create an app, we will click on create app button. Once you do this, you can see number of apps options available here. They can be easily connected with English, mathematics, social studies, science, etc. So in this video, we will be working on group puzzle. You can see different examples here. To create your app, click on create new app button. Now in this page, you will be asked to enter the following information. The first thing is the app title. So let's say we are doing it for hardware and software. And in the next box, we have to enter the description. Whatever you would like to show to your students, kind of instructions or just simple thing about your quiz or the app, you can put it in the box here or you can just leave it empty. Next is the background image. So I select an image here. You can see there are different options to insert the image. You can select it from these platforms. You can have a URL and paste it here or just get an image from your computer. So I've got this image of hardware and software from my computer system. Next is topics and terms. As I would like to create this app for students to categorize hardware and software, so I'll be creating two topics. This is topic 1, this is for topic 2. In these topics, you can also put the image or just have a simple text. I'll let this be a text data. Next, we are going to add the elements for topic number 1. Once you're done with topic 1, go to topic 2, enter the category name. And similarly, just like topic 1, add the elements of topic 2 also. You can add as many number of elements as you want in these categories. You can also add another group here by clicking on this button. Once it is done, the next is you will be asked to select the card size. You can have these 3 types of cards. The feedback will be displayed once the solution is found, and help is for some kind of hints that you want to provide to the students or just leave it empty. Next is click on finish editing and show preview. Here you can preview your app. So as you can see, it shows you the topic here on the top. Next is the task, which is visible here. If I click on OK, I can also click on this button to see that task again. There are 2 topics given here, hardware and software, and there are different cards. So yeah, right now I've clicked on hardware. I select keyboard. If my solution is correct, then the background image is shown for that particular card. And this is right. And if I click on any wrong option, you can see it displays an error message and then I'll be asked to select again. Also, the wrong word is highlighted. You can see this. I click on my second category. Now once it is done, you can see the feedback text is displayed. And finally, the image is displayed, which was set as the background. If you want to make any changes to the app, click on edit again button and it will take you back to the screen where you were asked to enter this information. Or if you are okay with the app, then click on save app button in order to save the app in your stuff. Now it shows you here on the right side your stuff. That means all your apps are available in this. Now there are different options to share this app with your students. The first one is the link that can be shared with anyone. Next is the embed iframe tag, which can be included in web pages. Here SCORM allows you to download your app as a zip file, and iBooks Author will allow you to get your app as a widget which can be added to the books. To share an app, you can also use this link. You can also provide a QR code to your students so that they can scan and play this app. Now let's see how it goes. I'm going to copy this link, go to another window, and now my app is loaded. So students can easily play this. I hope you have enjoyed creating an app on learningapps.org. If you like the video, please click on like button. Subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Till then, keep working with smile.